He's making love to the gun. And the gun is making love to the paint. And the primer is making love to me. I'm a love making machine. Make sweet love to the primer. Hey, after you're done with this, is it going to be ready to go to the racetrack? It's like Fast and the Furious. You put an orbital buffer on it, and then the next day you go down fucking Kikashira fucking mountain, doing 70 sideways. What's up with the hose? It's about time when the gun starts running low. Enough material was laid down. Who fucked the mother? That's dog. Yeah, it. Why did that occur, Danny?
It'll be fine.
Huh?
It'll be fine.
Gotcha. That's the beautiful part of doing body work. You can fix your fucker. Yeah. Chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang bang. Do we paint motors too? We could paint a motor. What color of motor you want to paint that? Paint that hot pink, bitches. I just love a man in uniform. This is the first video of many. We missed a lot of steps, and I've been lazy, but we're going to start videotaping and showing how Stack does it. Stack upholstery? It's Stack painting, bitch. I like kitties and I like them when they're black. I'll take white kitties, yellow, brown, or yak. their hose. He takes that word literally, kicking hose around. That's a lot of fucking primer in that gun.
What?
That's a lot of primer in that gun.
Not primer.
Huh?
Not primer.
Oh, I knew that.
It's white sealer.
It's sealer.
Yeah.
And why do you seal the vehicle, son? You're a sucking instructor.
What is wrong?
I never said I was an instructor. The reason you sell a vehicle is to keep all the contaminants out of the vehicle. Anything that gets painted on the sealer is staying under there. Nothing's coming up. How it looks when it gets sealed is how it's going to look when it gets painted.
Good enough.
I watch Discovery Channel. Hey, it shows you what I know. I thought it was priming the whole time. Thank you. If you're a real pro, you could do that with an airbrush gun. My baby. Oh, I'm on my own. I got it out. Oh yeah, not enough. You got some material. Yo, he could have been a famous rapper, but he decided to paint instead. His rap name was gonna be Freelon. I need candy. Hey, I was watching, what do you call it? What was I watching yesterday? I was watching fucking Aqua Hunger Force. You ever watch a spider rapper?
You want to call funny?
Give me candy, bitches. Bring the candy through and I eat the candy. I'm a candy rapper. And that concludes today's lesson. Thank you, Danny. Thumbs up for the sealer. Yep. He seals it down on the bitches. I'm sealing hose. And you are going to YouTube.